What's up, guys? So here we go with another video on YouTube. So what we're gonna work on today would be on that bottom lip right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but let me go ahead and go on this side. See how it's hanging? I have it taped up with tape. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and show y'all how it looks. But yeah, look at this beautiful view. Yes, sir. Alright, well, let me go ahead and take it off and show y'all. Guys, so I took off the part, the lip. So this is what's gonna be required. You're gonna need, obviously, some fiberglass repair kit. The fiberglass works with the plastic too. It works alright. Works pretty well. So this is what it has. The resin. And some of this fiber, and obviously a stick, and the hardener, and the squeegee. Alright, so let me go ahead. The first thing you want to do, actually, for anything, you want to clean your area where you want it to stick. See that? That's where I wanted to stick. So I already cleaned it, and after you clean it and dry it, you want to go ahead and sand it with some 180, something good. So yeah, you just want to sand it real quick. I already sanded it earlier a little bit. Okay. After you done sand it. Alright, after you've done sand it, you want to go ahead and grab your tape and then adjust the plastic where it was originally at, and you want to go ahead and what's it called? You want to go ahead and just tape it tightly so it won't move, as you see me doing it at the moment. All right, let me go ahead and adjust this couple things right here. Alrighty, and after that, you want to go ahead basically. Okay, you want to go ahead and grab your cup. You can grab any size of cup, depends on what you're working on. You might be working on a big piece, small piece, but at the moment right here, I'm working in a small piece. All right, you see me just pouring a little bit. All right, and after that, after you pour your resin, don't forget to use the hardener right there. You want to go ahead and add, like on the amount I have right there, you want to go ahead and drop maybe like 10 drops, maybe 20, depends. You don't want to add too much, but a good 10 for that amount is all right. And after that, you want to, whip it, flick it a wrist. Yeah. Okay, anyways, okay, yeah, you want to whip it, all right. You just want to go ahead and, all right, get a brush. Let me get my gloves, look professional. Alrighty, you want to go ahead and get your brush and just start dabbing it in there, just like that. Yes, sir. Alright, it's kind of loose. Man, ain't nobody like it loose. So let me go ahead and grab more tape and get a little bit tight. So everybody likes it. All right. All right, at this very moment, the gravity wasn't working with me at all, so I had to angle it from the floor to the wall a little bit so it can help me out, so everything wouldn't fall all the way down when I was putting this stuff. You see me trying to angle it a little bit better, but yeah. So yeah, basically I just go ahead and do this. Alright, after you done put your fiberglass or resin, you want to go ahead and wait it out for 24 hours till next day. to see the results. All right, thank you for watching. Till next time. What's up, guys? So this is how it turned out to be after the fiberglass work. So it hooked on pretty good. And thanks for watching. Till next time, peace out.